I am making a spike suppressor using this MOV 275 volt. It is easily available market at 20 rupees only, and this one is 3-pin main cord, and one more this socket I purchased hardware shop. By this we can easily make spike guard. We have to purchase 275 volt, and 320 volts also available in market, but we have to purchase only 275 volt. Our computer will damage if cross the 270 voltage, then only the SMPS will be damaged. So I am now making this in this one is ground, earth, and this one phase, this one blue color Newton. So first we now I am fixing. First we have to connect protective ground. This one is middle one pin ground, earth. Now phase wire is blue one. Blue one wire coming from this switch, on off switch. It will come from on off switch. Now I am connecting here in this. After that, neutral. We have to connect neutral here. Neutral here, and then this one for neutral, one for phase. We have to now we have to fix it. Now we have to fix one for neutral, another lead to phase. Now I connected. That's all. This one is now ready. If we connect MOV 320 voltage also, according to your requirement, mostly this equipment will be around 20 rupees only. Any electronic shop we can get. Now it's ready. Now circuit is ready. Now I am fixing.
Start.
Now fixing, like we have to keep it like this, and that's all. Now spike suppressor ready. Spike guard is ready. It will protect your laptop and desktops also. It's save lot of money.